the 2012 Buick LaCrosse. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. With a solid 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Power and reliability are a great combination. This vehicle has both. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, side airbag, curtain head airbags, stability control, daytime running lights. Call today to schedule a test drive.